Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. I was planning on taking a ride today and do a video for you, but it don't look like the weather's cooperating today. So instead I'm going to go over some of the mods I did yesterday. First things I had done was remove the catalytic converter. I mean, you can't tell that it's all welded up, but I had cut the exhaust about right up in here with my Sawzall, and actually the catalytic converter slipped right out, so it was pretty easy. I was able to weld it back up, grind out, paint it. You can't even tell where I even cut it. One of the other things I've done was remove the secondary air induction system. Made a little block off plate out of a 1/8 aluminum I had. It's pretty simple to remove. I mean, undo the two bolts, disconnect the hose. There's a hose that goes to the intake. Just be sure to plug that off. And the other hose goes to the air box. So I mean, you just unplug it in this. It's not gonna hurt anything. Real simple. One of the other things I've done was install the SpeedoDRD H1. Use that to calibrate the speedometer. What's good about the H1 is it uses the same exact connectors as on the Ghost, and I'm pretty sure it's the same as on the X22R. The only thing I had to do was swap this blue and white wire. That's a signal in and out. It was just reversed, so I swapped that back. Swap it to where it'll be in the correct position. Just basically I pulled out the little connector out, cut it, then recrimp them back on. Real simple. And then I did some work on the air box. Actually, this is not really restrictive. Got a nice washable foam filter in there. The only mod I've done to this, they got a tube that's probably about 3 or 4 inches long. I cut it off to about 1 inch. And then on the back side, I cut this open to give it a little more airflow. But very simple mod, and I'm pretty sure it helped, because I mean, I could tell, you know, my first ride is it definitely breathes a lot better. That along with the catalytic converter would be removed. But yeah, I wish it wasn't raining, because I would be out riding. But just by removing the cat, and I did put a 105 main jet in the carburetor. This thing is completely different. The exhaust was really restrictive, so I had to open it up, and now my speedometer is dead on accurate. Oh, I did find out one thing though. Even though this bike and my X22R has the same exact engine, with the engine mods I've done on this bike, this has way more power than this right now. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing some mods on this one. I hadn't rode this bike in a while, and just got used to riding this one, the Ghost. And I took it out for a spin yesterday, and it was like, holy crap. I'd really need to do mods. But I think on this one, I'm not going to do the 11-to-1 compression, 11-to-1 piston, but I will. I have a poured head already. I will deck the head and use a thin head gasket and get the compression ratio up to maybe 10.5 to 1, maybe 11. And I have another cam I've been looking at, a more aggressive cam than I have on the X22R. I think I'm gonna go that route on this engine. But yeah, so far I love this bike. It really does ride great. Runs great now. It ran great before, but just a few little mods like the air box and the removing the cat made, big difference. So, yeah, guys, y'all please like, subscribe, and I'm gonna get my headlight back together here. Don't forget to visit Venom Motorsport. Hit them up for a bike, and don't forget to use JerryHawk250 discount code and get $50 off.